So, is the Zoom Workplace app in 2025 really worth it, or just another bloated tool? Let's break it down. Zoom Workplace is Zoom's big move beyond simple video calls. Instead of just meetings, it now combines team chat, phone, whiteboards, shared documents, and even calendars, all rolled into one platform. And of course, they've added a bunch of AI-powered tools to make things smoother. The star here is Zoom's AI companion. It can prep your meetings, take notes, create post-meeting summaries, pull out tasks, and even help organize shared content across your workspace. Basically, it's trying to cut down all that switching between apps. Now, on the pro side, it's a legit all-in-one collaboration suite. The interface has been refreshed, it integrates pretty well with existing tools, and for remote or hybrid teams, having everything in one place really does make sense. You've got AI help, solid video quality, and less juggling between apps like Slack, Google Docs, and Outlook. But of course, it's not perfect. Let's talk cons. First, resource use. A lot of users say Zoom Workplace feels heavier than old school Zoom. It eats up more system resources and can lag, especially on older laptops. Second, feature overload. There's a ton packed into it, and if you're just a small team or casual user, it can feel like way more than you need. Third, mobile app limitations. Some of the collaboration tools don't translate as smoothly on mobile as they do on desktop. And finally, cost versus value. If you're a small team, paying extra for premium features might not really make sense when cheaper or simpler tools can cover your needs. So, the big question, is it worth it? If you're part of a large team, doing tons of meetings, sharing docs, and running hybrid workflows, then yeah, Zoom Workplace can streamline your setup and the AI companion actually saves time. But if you're a solo user or small group, you might not get enough out of it to justify the price. At the end of the day, Zoom Workplace is not a scam, not hype. It's a powerful tool. But whether it's worth it depends on your team size and how much you'll actually use all those extras. If this review helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and I'll catch you in the next one.